Hi everybody. The next stage of my build is to insert the push rods into the slowpoke fuselage. Now I've made a big change from what I've done in the millibob. For these push rods on the slowpoke I'm using a Sullivan goldenrod, which is a kind of a blue outer sheath with a push rod, a yellow push rod that passes through it. This allows for a bit of flexibility while still allowing the push rod to move freely within the blue sheath. Push rods itself come with those two parts, as well as a whole bunch of clevises and screws for attaching onto the control surfaces. The blue sheath I'll pass through the holes that I've already drilled in the formers. You can see them there, and I need to make a little exit hole at the rear of the fuselage as well. I'll pass the blue sheath through the whole lot of them, and then I'll use thin super glue and glue it into place, and then I'll trim it flush with the fuselage and leave it just slightly proud on the former further up on the fuselage. Installed the two blue pushrod sheaths, and as you can see I've finished them so that they're just standing proud of the former. They pass through the holes in the other formers as they pass towards the rear of the fuselage, and I've just trimmed them off as they exit the fuselage itself. So that will mean that our pushrod slides nice and smooth through those sheets.